Good morning, guys, and welcome to Social Studies. As we are going into Social Studies today, we are going into the geography of Roseburg, Oregon. So what we've noticed is that we were struggling to find our assignments. For some reason, TCI with 2021, they've gotten kind of confused with the dates and how to organize. So normally it would be in a date order, and you could find the newest things at the top. For you guys, it's all the way at the bottom possibly now. So go all the way down and you might see it down there. But what you will notice is to find it, you just have to find the one that says 113 for today, because that's today and that's the one we're doing. So section 3, the geography of Roseburg, Oregon. If you can't seem to find it, it's okay. All you have to do is click on text. And when you're at text, you go to lesson 3, section 3. So we're doing lesson 3, section 3. I'm going to pull it up as well, just so we can all be on the same spot and you know exactly what you're looking for. Then we're going to read together and answer the questions together. So you see I'm on lesson 3, then I'm going to click on section 3. So section 3, the geography of Roseburg, Oregon. And once you're there, you'll be able to complete the reading and the activity, which I'll be here to do with you. Sorry, my computer is really slow right now. Wow, that's a long time. Okay, here we go. The geography of Roseburg, Oregon. Geography has a lot to do with how we live. To see why this is so, let's look at 4 cities. We'll start with Roseburg, Oregon. Oregon is the northwest region of the United States. A region is an area where certain features certain features in common. Wow. I think I'm hurting just as much as this computer right now. The Northwest has lots of mountains, trees, and rivers. When we take a look at this map here, we're seeing that it's in the, man, I shouldn't click on anything right now because this computer is having a field day right now with this. So the Northwest region, all the way up here, you can see that Roseburg, Oregon, is all the way over to the west side of Oregon. And you can see that it's surrounded by trees, mountains, and even has a river running through it. People in Roseburg know all about these physical features. Roseburg is in a valley of the Cascade Mountains. Tall trees cover the mountains, and a big river runs through the city. Many people go fishing in the river. The climate in Roseburg is gentle and mild, and rarely gets very cold or very hot. Winters are very cool and rainy, while summers are warm and dry. Roseburg's climate helps plants and trees grow. Forests are the most important natural resource in Roseburg. People work in lumber mills, cutting down trees, and sending the lumber to other places. Lumber is wood that has been cut from trees. Lumber mills have been in Roseburg for many years. Some people make sure that more trees are planted to replace those that are cut down. Why do you think they do this? Think back to the other lesson where we talked about conservation, and you don't want to take more than you put back. So down at the bottom, fill in this table as we read the section. Name and location, Roseburg, Oregon. Physical features. So what did we see as physical features in Roseburg, Oregon? We saw rivers, we saw mountains, trees, and a valley. So those are physical features. They had rain, they had summer and winter. So they had cold and hot months. And that brought resources. Resources are things that they get from their land, from their earth, which would be they have rocks in the mountains, They have trees in the mountains, soil from the mountains. They had fish. They had wood. So I guess instead of trees, we could say wood because trees are wood. You don't get the trees, you get the wood from the trees. There you go. So those are some different things, natural resources that they have. There might be some other things that we didn't cover in this reading, but those are what we are putting down today. If you want to put more things, you may. And I hope that this was helpful. Don't forget to click turn in, and that's it. Palm it.